Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1969 Chevy Corvette. Got the owner, Gene's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Gene?
All right.
Yeah, what a cool car.
Thank you.
Killer colors.
Yes,
Love it.
Yes, it is.
So tell us a little about it.
It's an L46 4-speed car, numbers matching, motors rebuilt to factory specs, and a lot of front-end suspension upgrades, and the car just rides fantastic.
So what'd you do up front? All the bushings?
Bushings, steering box, all suspension parts.
Okay. Looks so pretty with the green with the red lines.
Yeah, it sure
the green interior.
Yes.
Killer colors. Love it. Very unique.
Thank you.
I love the originality of this car too.
Yeah, it's a real head turn.
Sitting on the caps. Those caps are super heavy too. Beautiful fitment and lines. Very correct. Pop the hood for you. You can see all the correct hoses and clamps. Wipers work perfectly. Headlights work perfectly. Beautiful chrome and stainless all the way around. The paint is gorgeous. I can reach your hand right into it. Any other recent work done to it? Gene?
What's that?
Any other recent work?
Driveshaft.
Okay.
New tires and front springs.
Okay.
That's basically it.
Yeah, these cars run pretty reliable, you know?
It does.
Can you fire it up? Sounds great. So 350 horse. Very correct under here. Got the right shielding. Manifolds. New steering box with the bushing. 7-blade fan, correct flat black under the hood.